Hey, Tom from Tom's Toons. When you are redecking and putting new vinyl on your old pontoon boat, you're often gonna run into a deck trim piece. So this is your deck trim. It's gonna look like this. And the way that this works is it sandwiches, we call it an F channel. You can see that shape. The plywood and the carpet or the vinyl is gonna go between these two pieces of aluminum, and it sandwiches on there for a nice snug fit. Sometimes with vinyl, it's a little thinner than a big plush carpet. You may have to add screws for that to tighten things up, but I'm here to show you how to get it started and installed on your boat. This is the front piece. Our side pieces, they played into the corner cap, so it's a little bit different, but normally you're just going to take that F channel, and what we do is we start by getting it on the bottom, and then we fit over the top, being very careful not to push our vinyl back. If you look here, we ran staples about every 8 to 12 inches, a stainless steel staple to help hold that edge down so the glue cures up nice. But I can slide this on gently, making sure I go just bit by bit to get it on without damaging the vinyl, because the vinyl will try to peel up with it if you're not careful. And I'm gonna get it fit most of the way on, and I would do the same thing for the side. And then to adjust, we can tell here that this part of the deck trim needs to slide just under this corner cap in its finished position. So with it partially on, I can come to the other side with a rubber mallet, and I can gently tap it into position where it'll line back up where it once was. Once I get in position, I can get the whole thing on by tapping gently, getting that sandwich nice and snug. And then fitting up my corner caps and railings and everything else that's going to tie in. That is how we install that F channel. Remember, start with the bottom, peel it up on top, and just carefully make sure you're not pushing the vinyl back or scrunching it as you go. That's going to come in handy on a lot of older pontoon boats when you're doing new deck and vinyl and reusing your deck trim.